That's easy elite English educational trust. Now we are coming with a video. How to identify angles in the same segment in a circle. A very important property states that angles in the same segment are equal, but how to identify the angles in the same segment? Simple procedure which you can easily remember and we can easily apply. Simple steps, simple explanation, which is very easy to remember and apply. How to identify angles in the same segment in a circle which are equal. The angles are equal, but how do we identify the angles in the same segment? Now here we have got angle APB, that is this angle, equal to angle AQB, that is this angle, because they are angles in the same segment, each of them being an angle in the same segments. How do we identify angles in the same segment? Sometimes students have problems in identifying that these are angles in the same segment. You may not always need the proof, but you need the skill to identify immediately that these are angles in the same segment. And then of course you can say they're equal. To identify, just we have a two-step test. The test is in two steps, a two-step test. First, see that the points A, B, P and Q are on the circumference. All the 4 points A, B, P, Q should lie on the circumference of the circle. All the 4 points are on the circumference. Next, see the name of the angle. APB and AQB. Note that only the middle letter is different. Only the middle letter is different. APB, AQB, the first and the third letters are same. And all the 4 points lie on the circumference. And when you take the name of two angles, you find that only the middle letter is different. That confirms that they are angles in the same segment and hence they are equal. Another way is to picture PQ as heads of two persons. There is a head of P and there is a head of Q. So this is, think of as an head. Here also think of as a head, the head of a person. And this is the leg. The green two legs belonging to P and the red legs belonging to Q. So their feet are touching at A and B. See that both the left leg and the right leg of P and Q are touching the same point. From P, we have got two legs, green in color, and from Q, we have two legs, red in color, and the feet are at the same point. So when the head of P and head of Q lie on the circumference and feet are spread, they are spread out in such a way that the left feet and the right feet meet on the same 2 point on the circumference. Of course, all the points should be on the circumference. Then you can say they are in the same segment. So the legs of P and Q, the two green legs, and the legs of Q, the two red legs, they are meeting at the same points. The left leg and the right leg meeting at the same point, and all the points, the head and the legs should of course be on the circumference. Now let us take a few exercises. Here, are they angles in the same segment? No, because this is not on the circumference. This is inside the circle, not on the circumference. This one, this is outside the circumference and this is inside the circumference. So these outside the circle and inside the circle, they're not in the circumference. So these two cannot be called angles in the same segment. Here, see that their feet are touching here, but here the feet are not touching. They are not in the same point. the feet are touching the circles at two different points. This is okay. The green and the red are in touching on A, but here they are touching at two different points. The legs are not meeting. Here we find that all the points lie on the circumference, and the red and green, they come on the circumference at A together, and the red and the green also touch the circumference at B. So this is the only case we can say angle P is equal to angle Q, because they are angles in the same segment. That was Easy Elite English Educational Trust. WhatsApp us or email us for more such videos. Subscribe to our channel, like and share. And if you need a video on any specific topic, you can WhatsApp us or email us, as all our services are entirely free of charge. Thank you and goodbye.